This is Terry Yelverton, and I have chosen the Vocabulary Self-Collection Strategy. The Vocabulary Self-Collection Strategy can be used by all students. It can be done as a whole group strategy or a small group strategy. The VSS could also begin as a whole group strategy and then end as small groups. What is the strategy? The Vocabulary Self-Collection Strategy, also called the VSS, is a vocabulary strategy created by Martha Haggard. The VSS fosters engagement as students search a passage for words that they feel are important to know or that they are having a difficult time of understanding. The VSS is an after-reading strategy before discussing. So they read the passage, they perform the VSS, then they discuss the passage. When Martha Haggard wrote her journal article on the VSS, she states in this article, the act of collecting words increases sensitivity to new words and enjoyment in word learning. So this would be a great reason why we would want to use the vocabulary self-collection strategy with our students so that they can begin learning new words and collecting those words in order to use those for background knowledge in the future. How is it done? The students and the teacher each choose words. They compile those words together. They record where they find the word in the passage. They record what they feel like the word means using the context clues that they see surrounding the word in the passage. And then they record why they feel like they should learn that. Then they discuss as a group each other's findings and compare their recordings together. And that concludes my presentation.